Hey guys, it's Destiny Lashae. We got another video today, but first I want to remind you guys to follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of giveaways on there and I don't want you to miss them, so follow me on there. But anyways, I don't know about you guys, I am a avid Amazon shopper and I research a lot of skincare products and purchase a lot of skincare products off of Amazon.com. And I was just looking around at like skincare tools and I was researching this pore sucker vacuum device. And I actually purchased one a long time ago. I was just a little bit nervous to use it, but today I'm gonna use it on camera with you guys. I purchased one similar to this one. I will have it linked in the description box for you guys. But this thing is supposed to suck all the gunk and gross stuff out of your pores on your face or on your body, and it just gets rid of any whiteheads or blackheads, especially on your nose area that you cannot get out with your hands or your fingers or anything like that. I was really intrigued by this and I saw a couple of YouTubers use it and try it out, and I was wondering if it would work on me, so I bought it and we're gonna test it out today. In the instructions for this device, it suggests that you steam your face or use a warm towel to open up your pores because the device can work a lot better, so that's what I'm gonna do first. So I'm just gonna leave this towel here for about a good minute. Generally, my nose and the inner portion of my face has the most clogged pores and like blackheads and stuff. So let's see what it does. Whoa, whoa. And this is on 3. This kind of hurts. Oh, that hurts. Ah! It's a lot of suction going on. Okay, let's put it on 1 and just see if it does anything. 1 is really powerful too. Ow! It is intense. Ooh, do I see stuff going in there? Ooh. If you have sensitive skin, I would definitely not. Oh. Ew, there's stuff in there though. Oh, oh. Yeah, I have this on 1 right now and it's like intense. Ooh. Yeah, there's stuff definitely in there. Let's try to do this little. Ooh. Ew. There's stuff in there for sure. Oh my god, I had like little pimples right here. And they're like gone now. Ooh, that one almost came out. I have a little white head right here. Did it come out? Ew, there's a ton of stuff in there. Okay, let's just do this side. The blackhead right here. Ew. Oh, this feels so weird. Oh, gosh. This thing is legit. Those pore strips have nothing on this thing. I'm gonna be using this like once a week because there's definitely gross stuff up in here. That's a good amount of gross stuff that came out of my nose. So I'm gonna use the same device on my husband. I'm gonna show you guys the clip right now. So this is Gary's nose and I did seam his nose before doing this just like I did. Gary's pores are larger than mine and his skin is a lot more oily, so I wanted to see what the pore sucker would do on his nose, so we tested it out. As you can see, that's disgusting. There's a ton of oil like coming out the tip of his nose, and he was really shocked too. This was the end when we finished cleaning out his nose with the pore sucker. We both were really shocked. It's actually a good amount of gunk that came out of his nose. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel, join our family, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!